Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Now we have to tap on date and time, which is on the third position, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive, which means that we cannot manually change the date and time. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here, this one also, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it the same way. Here we can tap on the time zone, tap on the region and choose the one you'd like to apply. Just tap on it and it will be of course immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will change according to it. We can also change the time format. Currently we are using the 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on this switcher and it will be immediately applied. So this is how it works, and of course you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers here and set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.